Hi, I'm a student at Harmony Science Academy, Euless, Texas. For my PBL free, I decided to go over the topic of food calorimetry. Food calorimetry is an idea that allows scientists to determine the calories per gram of any quantity of food. To conduct this experiment, you'll need to assemble a calorimeter, which I will show here now. This is a calorimeter. It basically consists of one very large can, which can be about a quart. Inside you have a smaller can, which is about 20 milliliters or so. And then you need a wooden stick, and you'll need a drill bit and a drill, which will drill the holes into the metal can to allow the stick to go through. At the top of the can, you will insert your water sample, which will give you the temperature, which is very crucial to determine the calories per gram. At the bottom, this is where you put your sample that you're going to be heating up, which will allow for the temperature to rise and will be very crucial in determining calories. Within this experiment, I used the formula Q equals M times C times delta T. Q represents the calories, M represents the mass of the water sample, C represents the specific heat, which is about 0.001, and delta T represents the change in temperature, which is final temperature minus initial temperature. I came up with this project by taking information I learned from my 10th grade classes and incorporating them into a project that I could do for my PBL. I learned all about calories, and I was very curious on how you would determine calories, so I researched that, and I found out about food calorimetry, did a bunch of research, and got everything I needed to know, and applied it and made my own experiment and calorimeter. This project will very much help the future humans and people, because in the United States, there's a 42.4% obesity rate within adults. With food calorimetry, we are able to determine the healthier snack for people to consume. But why would you need to do this? Because while looking at a grocery aisle, you'll see, for example, chips, which are a very popular snack within the United States. All of them look very similar, and some of them have even the same flavors among different brands, but sometimes their calories differ. Using food calorimetry, we can determine what the true calories per grams of these foods are. A calorie was first defined around 1850 by Favre and Silberman. Despite this information, Nicholas Clement introduced calories throughout his lectures on heat engines that he gave in Paris. Around the mid-1860s, calorie was first entered the English dictionary. The calorie was translated from Gounod's French physics text. A calorie was defined as the heat needed to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of water by 0 to 1 degrees Celsius. Later, a gram calorie and a kilogram calorie were distinguished. A femtocalorie had not fully been defined until the 20th century, when a new term came into play. This new term was the nutritional calorie, which is embedded throughout U.S. culture and the nutritional policy. That'll be all. Thanks for watching Harmony Science Academy.